In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about UML timing diagrams. We'll break down the core components and then show you how to build your own in Lucidchart. What is a timing diagram? A timing diagram is a specific type of interaction diagram used in UML to show how the state of an object changes over a linear period of time. Timing diagrams versus sequence diagrams. While sequence diagrams show the flow of messages, timing diagrams focus on the duration of states and when those changes occur relative to a timeline. When should I use a timing diagram? Use them when you need to visualize hardware constraints, real-time system behaviors, or any process where the precise timing of state transitions is critical. What are the key elements of a UML timing diagram? The primary components include lifelines, state timelines, time rulers, and messages that trigger a change from one state to another. Step-by-step tutorial, how to draw a timing diagram. Let's jump into the Lucidchart editor to walk through the process of building a functional timing diagram from scratch. Start by enabling the UML shape library. Drag a lifeline onto the canvas to represent your object. Next, define your states along the vertical axis and use the pen tool to draw transitions. Finally, add your time ruler and label the specific intervals. You can use the text tool to specify durations between events, ensuring your hardware or software timing is technically accurate. Now you're ready to create your own UML timing diagrams. Visit Lucidchart to start with a template, or build from scratch to bring clarity to your complex systems.